Hey besties.
Hey, I do say that.
We're besties.
Hey besties, what's up? So today I'm with Haley and Annika, and you probably already know. Probably already be knowing already. I be with the squad. We be pulling up. Like literally, this video is a whole mess. I didn't really have a video planned for my channel.
If you say it's a mess, they're gonna click off.
No.
Okay, this video is so amazing and planned out. Let me just lie. I tried doing like a touring Texas with Annika because she's from Boston, Massachusetts.
And that failed miserably.
I mean, kind of not though. Like, it's kind of just, it's like a really big fat vlog of everything that happened because I didn't have a video planned. And I did then have a video planned, and then it was bad. So, this is a long video. It should be funny. It's a little bit of disorganization, but she's cute.
I love you.
Are talking to me. I love you guys too. I love Joshua and Anthony.
That's my name.
And if you want to know why they're Joshua and Anthony, keep on watching.
This is the second intro.
It's the vlog.
Where are we going first?
Bahamas.
I want to get McDonald's.
Oh, McDonald's first.
Okay. So
they don't have McDonald's in Massachusetts.
Yeah, we know. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so basically what's happening is because Haley is not here yet. She comes at 5 and it's 2:30 and we're super
Bored and hungry.
Exactly. So we're gonna go get McDonald's because we're hungry, and then Bahama Bucks because it's our first stop and take Annika to places in Texas that Massachusetts does not have.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I live in Massachusetts and
Boston.
I'm in Texas. Yeah.
I don't need my receipt.
Just when I walk in the door.
Oh.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Freely. Try and come for me.
You someone want a fruity or sour?
She wants a fruity.
Guava, melon, and turtle.
Yes.
Texas is your favorite country?
Yes.
We used to be our own country. No, don't.
Please.
No, we have to wait till we
I'm
like
just gonna smell it. Get some zoom in action, okay?
Okay. Ew. Ew, stop.
My mom.
When do you need it?
I actually need it right now.
Stop.
Or else I'm gonna like vomit and like pass out. I need it.
It's That's so underwhelming. Here, try this.
No, I don't want your freaking. It looks like there's pus on it.
I think I rate it 10 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah. I really like it. I'm dead. The only thing that can save me is Bahama Bucks.
We have to put Bahama Bucks in your IVs. Stat.
Shoot up, Bahama Bucks.
I'm trying to get over it because I don't think she's
I hate.
even if she were into me. Like,
Even if she weren't into me. Even if she weren't.
What did you think of Bahama Bucks?
I love it, and I want to go all the other days that we're here, or I'm here. What I want to do next Thursday,
I have so
get
many
Bahama Bucks! And right now.
Hey guys, what's up? Today we're in the Haley Rallies. Okay, so we're gonna go to
Thrift Giant.
But
also, Haley doesn't like me.
What?
Baby is laying down. We're supposed to be pooping.
Me.
My mom.
She's like, what? This is kind of technically just one big giant vlog, but I'm gonna say touring Texas with Annika and Haley.
Yeah.
So
I'm
it's
from
like,
Connecticut.
okay.
You walk.
Oh yes.
Touring Texas.
Anna, but it's literally
We're going to like fast food restaurants.
CCA.
Oh, we love Jesus. Why is everything about Jesus here?
Because we're a holy state.
Yeah, what?
That's why you don't live here.
Yeah, I know.
She lives far.
Unfortunately, they're too big for me.
I didn't like Dora.
Racist.
Literally half Latina. when you have small feet.
Done right.
Wait, but y'all were trying to find the Gucci slides without me, right? Like y'all were just trying to get them first.
I think I found my shoe of choice.
Oh my god, Texas.
Embrace my inner Texan or these.
Ooh, embrace your cute toes.
Okay, we're at Chicken Express.
You want 2 family offers?
Yes, please.
Why are you getting 3 okras?
And
Yeah,
then
what?
2,
Nobody wants your
corn
freaking
nuggets,
vegetables.
Get 3 corn nuggets, 2 okra.
Rolls, please.
Rude. That's disrespectful.
That is
then-
Okra
disrespectful.
tastes like
Can I
burrito
also
sometimes.
get a large? Okay, thank you so
Oh,
much.
you make it bigger. Do you have to ask for any mustard?
What's okay? We'll ask at the. That was so
I
funny.
lost my breath.
What do I ask for?
Ask for 10.
I cannot ask for 10.
Okay, I will ask for 10.
And no, ask for 6.
Like a bucket? We need a tub of honey mustard.
We need a bathtub. Yeah.
Can I have a gallon of honey mustard, please?
Please.
Because
I only eat honey mustard.
you only eat like by itself.
I drink
Yes.
Okay.
No other food in my diet.
Honey
I brush
butter.
my teeth with honey mustard. I shower in honey mustard. I wash my hair with honey
Bathe in it?
mustard. I do my
With,
makeup
like, a
with honey
bath
mustard.
bomb?
Yeah.
Okay.
I put honey mustard in my bath and I watch it fizz. Yes.
I want like a big gallon of honey butter.
They have it at HEB, but we don't have HEB here.
I
don't
got
know
a
what that
large
is.
sweet teas for anybody.
What's ATB? What
It's
state
a
is it
Texas
in?
thing,
Oh.
but like it's only South Texas, so they're discriminating.
What's South
HEB
Texas?
is,
Austin?
Like it's like Austin.
What if my card gets declined? This is a corn nugget bite from Chicken Express. Corn nugget by Chicken Express. No. No.
Sister.
Why do they deep
No.
fry vegetables? Vegetables, why, what's with you and
Is there cream in here?
Yes.
like creamy
Your eyes
like
look
sugar.
green.
They are green.
Love eating all of this by myself now. Oh, wrong way.
You have 2 family-sized orders of each. I want the nugs.
Oh, no.
No, the 10s.
They also changed their honey mustard, so that's not going to be as good as it would be.
Yeah, it's like 10 steakhouse. Who the heck is 10?
Okay, I think it's like a 6 out of 10.
That's pretty
Okay.
I don't frick with this.
Do you like it better than Whataburger?
No, I like Whataburger more.
Yes, Queen of Whataburger.
I invented Whataburger.
What do you think of it, Helen?
It's good.
I don't
Hate
like
it.
Both
I
are
don't
so
like their actual
iconic.
burgers. I only like their chicken strips.
Yeah.
Their chicken strips with honey. You never even had a burger there before.
Yeah, but I'm just saying. I just said yeah. Their chicken strips are good.
Oh.
Bitch.
Sorry.
Joshua, how many hoes you got? 69.
Introduce yourself. Who are you?
My name is Joshua White, and I like hitting the bull. I like balling. Hitting the bull.
I like balling.
You like animals?
I got 69
Bulls. Wait, or bowls of weed.
This has got even more drug addicty.
We're sorry for him.
Sorry, I'm high right now. I like balling. I like hitting the jewel. That's my boy
Anthony Jacobs.
Haley looks like such a boy right now.
Yeah, I am a boy. What you mean, Josh? I'm named Joshua.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm just gonna be vlogging in my room. I'm just chilling. Oh my god, wait. Anthony, Joshua, what are you guys doing here?
We gonna be competing for your love today, boo.
Wait,
Yeah.
We are gonna be competing for your love.
okay guys, so for the clarification, I'm just in my room chilling. Y'all literally just saw what happened. Y'all just saw what happened. Like, these guys, they're my hoes, and they know they're my hoes, and I think that they're gonna compete for my love like they just said. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Like, I talked to my hoes for a reason. They all have special qualities, but I guess like right now it's their time to shine, and I don't know what you guys think I should do, but I think I should interview them and have them do ridiculous things so I know who loves me more. Okay, so right on the corner, you guys comment down below who you think is gonna win my love, because I don't know at this point. I'm super confused.
This is vodka.
Okay. Okay.
It's a vodka.
Okay, so I guess, okay. Well, first, Joshua White, and he's just gonna tell me some things about himself. And he's just gonna, answer some of my most necessary questions. You can't do that!
Yes, you can. You have to.
How, your mom! On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love me?
I don't know how to answer these. I don't love you. You're just my side.
You don't love what?
I don't love you. You're just my side.
I heard it the first time.
I don't love you. You're just my what?
Side.
Side.
Oh, side.
We all know you have hearing problems.
So,
Believe me about
oh
that.
my god, wait,
I'm actually so self-conscious about it.
Are you for real?
Yeah, I'm gonna start
Oh my
crying.
God.
People bully me about it all the time.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tell me
They
that.
call me Helen Keller.
This boy's so bored. Literally, it's your turn. Go up.
Yeah. No.
You're-
No, don't touch me. No homo.
No. I just want to see if he's gonna. If he's gonna.
I'm gonna
So-
drink this.
so he doesn't-
I'm gonna drink this little hoe's water.
Stop it.
If you could like describe me in one word, what would that word
That's
be?
easy.
Iconic.
Really? Okay. Okay, I feel that a little bit. How much money do you make in like a month?
You're not ready for this.
Okay, wait, okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
The
Was that
bear
like
make more money than you.
he's right.
Does it? Now I make more money than him.
So you steal now?
No. This was my
I
money.
told
He
you
stole
never.
it from me. No. I don't steal. I'm the good guy. He's the bad guy.
Your voice is so weird for a guy.
I
Like it's like an accent from like a made up country. Like he's a bad guy.
like a bowling pin. Strike.
Okay, bye guys. See you guys in a second. Okay guys, I have a tough decision to make. Do you know who I choose? Myself, because I choose to love myself first.
Plot twist.
Follow. Wait, what's happening?
You don't follow me.
No, I follow you, obviously, queen. Why would I not?
We decided that Anna's a social media robot. She only posts on IG when she's promoting a new video.
She told me that she was gonna twist my nipple if I called her catty again.
Hey besties, so basically this whole video is just like a big vlog now. So we're here with Haley and Annika. We're gonna go do an escape game. Anna works there so they get half off because we're exclusives basically. And are we going to Baham now or no?
No.
We are?
Yes.
She's like only gonna come to Texas now for Baham. Only. But since this video is like a really big mess, if like this is annoying and ugly, you can just go watch Annika and Haley's vids. Theirs are actually gonna be really cute and funny. Everybody thought it was problematic. I thought it was cute and funny, but apparently a lot of people didn't think that. And I just wanted to put this in because I think it's very funny how a lot of people didn't think it was cute and funny, and I said it was cute and funny. Go watch it.
Haley's is really cute. We just filmed it.
We didn't record a sit down with Rachel's.
What if we did like a sketch?
Anna's like, no.
I should have got.
To get people to watch it.
No, get the pink. The pink is better. With sweet condensed milk. No. Oh no.
Okay, Rachel, you're ordering.
I'm ordering? I'm scared. Can I have a baby pink lemonade, please? You want a baby too? Yeah. And then, anyone else want anything else? Kara wants, or, I'm sorry. And then can I also have a baby Coke?
Record? No. I don't want to do it anymore. You're paying. How many people are you paying for?
Yeah. Wait, do you want to be in my vlog? Yeah. Hi, what's your name?
Angela.
Hi, Angela, you're my vlog. Oh my god, this is what YouTubers do. They do like, oh, you're my vlog.
1, 2, 3, go.
Annika, you do not want to mess with me. I have people who can get rid of you.
1, 2, 3, go.
Annika, you do not want to mess with me. I have people who can get rid of you. You do not want to mess with me. I have people who can get rid of you.
1, 2, 3, go.
Annika, you do not want to mess with me. I have people who can get rid of you.
That was kind of good.
I'm so sorry, that was so funny.
Annika, you do not want to mess with me. I have people who can get rid of you. You do not want to mess with me. I have people who can get rid of you.
That's so good.
Okay, so
You look like a worm. Okay, but
That worm from SpongeBob.
you're so overly warm.
someone said I look like that at my school, and I started crying.
What? Google. Stop. No, I actually don't know what you're
Don't
doing.
search it.
I've cried 3 times.
It's not it.
That's what they show me from school. They're like,
Okay,
oh my
but
god, you
that's-
look
that's
like
not
this.
That's not the worm.
No, that's what
There's
I
a
was doing.
different worm that I also look like. He's my friend, but he like was being serious. Like, oh my god, you look like, stop touching my butt. It tickles.
I didn't think it was that one. I thought it was that big one.
Oh, okay, the other one I look
I thought
like.
that's
Okay.
what they're.
No, she don't look green.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rachel don't not look like this.
Okay. Thanks for
Anthony dies.
Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Comment down below if you want 100 more videos with Haley and Annika.